Good afternoon. My name is Chef Rudy Guerra. I'm the district chef for Southwest Independent School District. Two fine things when it comes to cooking. It's got to look nice, got to look presentable, and it's got to taste good. I mean, it's all about eating with your eyes first. So that's where I come in, and I try to evaluate how we're serving that plate to see the sparkle in the students' eyes. You know, from a kindergarten to a senior, you eat with your eyes. If you see something that doesn't look particularly appealing, of course, you're going to make a U-turn and go for a slice of pizza. And we're trying to deter that to get all the major groups, from your proteins, from your vegetables, to your starches and your salads, to make it a complete meal. They particularly don't have to know or understand how the food gets there. Now, we're trying to educate them in that manner, but back in the house, I mean, you have a group that works strictly on produce, strictly on fruits, strictly on salads, and strictly on proteins. And it all comes as a cohesive team, comes together, and that's how you end up plating something that's not only eye-appealing, but tastes good. What a student has something to look forward to is knowing that every single meal out there is prepared with love. Now, when it comes to future items on the serving line, this is where their voice should be heard. We want them to be heard. Just for example, we were over at Scobie Middle School yesterday. We implemented a new no-bake energy bite. Just simple oats, honey, some butter, and some dried coconut. And the kids, for the most part, loved them. So again, it just gives everyone the knowing that they do have a voice, no matter if you're kindergarten to a senior. We want to hear what you're thinking so we can better serve you and better nourish you so you can make it throughout the day. Now, same token, if you don't like stuff that we're trying out, it's okay. We're good with a thumbs up and we're good with a thumbs down. How else are we going to learn? Again, we all have different taste buds, so some are going to like them, some's not going to like it. So again, that's how we learn what you like and assure you that you do have a voice with the district, and we're here to serve you. I'm Chef Rudy Guerra, and we are Southwest.